Hey there everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Zubair, and today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for anyone looking to break into the world of cybersecurity certifications. Cybersecurity is one of the most rapidly growing fields today, with more jobs than qualified professionals to fill them. But with so many certifications out there, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are worth your time and money. From entry-level certifications to advanced and specialized ones, I'll guide you through which certifications will give you the best shot at landing your first job, or even propelling your existing career to the next level. Throughout this video, we'll cover everything from what each certification teaches you, the skills you need, how to study for them, and how these certifications translate into actual job roles. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's understand the importance of cybersecurity certifications. Before we dive into specific certifications, let's talk about why cybersecurity certifications are so important. Certifications in this field serve multiple purposes. Demonstrate competence, build a solid knowledge foundation, validate specialized skills, enhance your resume, open up new career paths. First off, a certification shows potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge necessary to handle cybersecurity tasks. In a field where trust and technical competence are paramount, certifications act as a form of validation. Employers might not know you personally, but they know that if you've passed something like the CISSP exam, you've got what it takes. Another big benefit is how certifications structure your learning. Let's face it, cybersecurity is a massive field. You can easily get lost in what to learn next. Certifications give you a clear path to follow and ensure that you're covering critical topics like network security, cryptography, and incident response. Certifications also boost your resume. In competitive job markets, certifications can set you apart from other candidates, especially if you're just starting out. Plus, many job postings in cybersecurity list specific certifications as either preferred or required, so having them can be a gateway to getting your foot in the door. Let's go through the top entry-level certifications for cybersecurity. Now that we've covered why certifications are so important, let's move on to the best entry-level certifications. If you're just starting out in cybersecurity, these are the certifications you should consider first. 1. CompTIA Security Plus. First up is the CompTIA Security Plus certification. This is a great starting point because it covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics without diving too deeply into any one area. It's perfect for beginners and is often the minimum certification that employers look for. Security Plus will teach you about the basics of network security, cryptography, identity management, and risk management. You'll also get hands-on experience with configuring secure systems, which is crucial for any role in cybersecurity. 2. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. Next is the CISSP, which is more advanced than Security Plus, but I'm including it here because it's often considered a gold standard in the industry. If you have some IT experience already, CSSP might be the right next step. CSSP covers 8 domains, including security and risk management, identity and access management, security operations, and software development security. What makes CISSP stand out is that it's a vendor-neutral certification, meaning you're learning general best practices that can apply to any system or organization. Now let's talk about the advanced certifications in cybersecurity. Once you've built a solid foundation with some entry-level certifications, you may want to look into more advanced certifications to really specialize and stand out. Let's look at some of the top advanced certifications. 1. Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. The CISM certification is ideal for professionals looking to move into management or governance roles in cybersecurity. While other certifications focus more on the technical side, CISM is all about managing and overseeing an organization's security posture. 2. Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA. If auditing and compliance interest you, then CISA is a great choice. This certification focuses on the auditing process, ensuring that organizations follow the best practices for information security. CISA is highly regarded in industries like finance, healthcare, and government, where audits are common. 3. Offensive Security, Certified Professional, OSCP. Now, if you're more on the technical side and enjoy penetration testing or ethical hacking, then OSCP is the certification for you. It's a hands-on certification that requires you to hack into a network and prove your skills. This is one of the most respected certifications for anyone interested in offensive security. Specialized certifications. Next, let's talk about specialized certifications. These certifications are for those who want to focus on a particular aspect of cybersecurity, like cloud security, penetration testing, or incident response. Cloud security certifications. Cloud security is becoming increasingly important as more businesses move their data to platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Certifications like the Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP, AWS Certified Security, Specialty, and Microsoft Azure Security Engineer Associate will give you the skills to secure cloud environments. Penetration testing certifications. For those interested in offensive security, penetration testing certifications like the GIAAP, Penetration Tester, GPN, and Offensive Security Certified Expert, OSCE, are top choices. These certs go beyond basic ethical hacking and get into advanced topics like exploit development and advanced network attacks. Incident response and forensics certifications. Finally, if your goal is to become an expert in incident response or digital forensics, certifications like the GIAAC Certified Forensic Analyst, GCFA, or the Certified Hacking Forensic Investigator, CHFI, will teach you how to respond to security incidents, analyze data breaches, and recover evidence after an attack. Roadmap for progression in cybersecurity. All right, now that you know about the different certifications, how do you actually go about building a career in cybersecurity? Here's a roadmap to help you get started. The first step is to gain a solid foundation in IT. Learn networking basics, understand how operating systems work, and get comfortable with command line tools. Certifications like CompTIA Network Plus or CCNA can help you build that foundation. Let's discuss how to study for cybersecurity certifications. Studying for cybersecurity certifications can be tough, but with the right approach, you can set yourself up for success. Here are some study tips that I've found helpful. Use a combination of reading, hands-on practice, and practice exams. Cybersecurity is a very practical field, so make sure you're getting as much hands-on experience as possible. Knowing career opportunities after certifications. So, what kind of jobs can you get with these certifications? Let's take a look at some of the most common roles you'll find in the cybersecurity field. 1. Cybersecurity Analyst. As a cybersecurity analyst, your job will be to monitor networks for suspicious activity, respond to security incidents, and work on improving an organization's overall security posture. 2. Penetration Tester. Penetration testers, also known as ethical hackers, simulate cyber attacks to test the defenses of an organization. This is one of the most hands-on and exciting roles in cybersecurity. That brings us to the end of this video. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the best certifications to how to study for them, and the job opportunities that come with them. Remember, the path to a career in cybersecurity is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, focus on building your skills, and most importantly, never stop learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, stay safe online.